Hai, nama saya Erna. Saya di sini Deniri saya kenal dah lama. Cuma tempat ini saya first time datang. And then ni kedai baru dia lah, so I first time datang. And then today I mau try color rambut. I want change my hair, bagi dark green sikit. Okay, stay tuned.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Hello guys, okay, as you can see, this is the result as I want. It's a dark green color, very nice kan? Okay, so first my inspiration when I come Denny punya salon, it's totally different when before and now. Sekarang totally macam 5 star. So layanan sini pun very best, and then the result I want pun memang terbaik. So if you guys want to come, just come here, don't malu-malu. Denny is very friendly, and then the staff also very awesome. Okay, thank you.
I can fly.